Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about reboot your router for fix reCAPTCHA not working unless you specifically ask your internet service provider against assigns you a dynamic IP address each time you connect to the internet. Unless you specifically ask your internet service provider ISP assigns you a dynamic IP, assigns you a dynamic IP address each time you connect to the internet. If your current IP address is banned, if your current IP address is banned by reCAPTCHA, you can get a new and unique IP address by rebooting your router. You can get a new and unique IP address by rebooting your router. The way you do that depends on your router model. With most routers, you can access the reboot option. You can access the router setting page. You can access the router setting page in a web browser. Open the maintenance or similar. Open the maintenance or similar section and choose the reboot option to restart the router. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.